Hi guys and welcome to my CIVI channel, and please you can subscribe and share with your friends. Also you can comment and like, and what is the required please you can tell me, no problem. And guys, today I'm going to HTML. Okay, and you know what is the HTML, and there is a number of steps because of when you can HTML use, that time you can also go through front end development. That time you are going to HTML, JavaScript, also CSS. That time especially you go through HTML, then CSS and JavaScript. And also HTML is the very important part of the business because of it will be developing the front end, also designing also, and it will be methodology. And when your logic is used to front end develop, that time you can also go through HTML. And especially I will talk about the HTML. And HTML stands for hypertext markup languages. Okay, and then languages. And now HTML is the stands for also markup language for creating web pages. Then HTML is the dis- description describes the structure of the web page, and it will be helpful. And you know what is the HTML? It stands for hypertext markup languages, and it is the creating of web pages and also describes the structure of web pages. Then HTML consists of a series of elements, and also HTML is element label pieces of content such as this is heading, this is heading, this is paragraph, and also this is a link, etc are used. And I will go through one simple code. Please you can open your VS Code and also shift and you can exclamatory and enter it, and it will be go through. And title you can give the page title. Okay, if you want any you can also go through, and it will be title. And body part you can use to h1 will be your text size. There text size h1, h2, h3, that like. And I will choosing h1, and my first headline, and also I take a paragraph, my first paragraph. Okay, and you can go through run, and it will be output of this your program. And this is your simple program. You can also use to hello world. And thank you so much for watching the videos, and please subscribe in this channel. And also I will post it in Telegram channel, and you can also follow, and also you can go through WhatsApp link, and you will be follow, and I will send it. Thank you.